When I'm short of time, I put slices of mozzarella cheese in the frying pan, break in 2 eggs, and add a pinch of salt. Beat very well and add the beaten eggs to the mozzarella cheese. Then I add a pinch of oregano, and when the mozzarella is golden brown, we turn it over and add the tapioca dough. I'll add this tapioca batter here until it's covered. Add a pinch of salt if necessary. When the tapioca dough starts to loosen on the sides, you can turn it over again. Add more mozzarella cheese or any other filling you like, and we can close, and our simple, quick, and easy meal is ready. Now all you have to do is serve this delicious dish. Here at home, there's nothing left over. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye-bye.